The Nikhilam Charamam Dashatah Sutra indicates that all from 9 and last from 10, it is used in specific kind of subtractions. So here we can see that we have 1000 minus 563. So now the last digit we take it as 10, this we take it as 9 and subtract all the digits, and then the last one will be 1 minus. Okay, so from 10 you subtract 3, that is you get 7. From 9 you subtract 6, that is you get 3, and again from 9 you subtract 5, so we have 4. Now this 1 minus 1 is 0, so the answer is 437. Similarly here, all from 9, last from 10, so we have 10 here, so 10 minus 6 is 4, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 1 is 8, 9 minus 9 is 0, and this 1 minus 1, 0. So here the answer is 874.